I did want to get to our strategies, our themes about the fallout from the Hawkish Skip. How do we make money trading the Hawkish Skip? So let's look at the Fed Rate Monitor tool first. And again, we've got to we'll look at the Fed Rate Monitor tool and the CME FedWatch tool and see, what was the implications of this hawkish skip in terms of future rate hikes, etc. And again, you can find a couple of our videos on how to use the Fed Rate Monitor tool and the CME FedWatch tool via the links in the notes and also in the links section on our homepage. Homepage is beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U. I'll put that banner up in the banners as well. So again, you can find all these tools in the links section of our homepage as well under reference links. So if I look at the Fed Rate Monitor tool, so now we see July. Right now they're betting on a 25 basis point, almost 75%, 25 basis point hike in July, which again is kind of my hypothesis. Let's see what they say for September. So September, if we get up to 550 in September, they're saying hold in September. Hold in November. And then kind of mixed, but they haven't really doesn't look like they priced in the second hike. So I guess the market doesn't believe the Fed's going to go 2 hikes. The market's currently saying they only believe they're going to get 1. So they've dropped the probability of a cut. There's small probability of a cut, but the market is currently saying they're only going to get 1 hike, even though the Fed very clearly stated they expect 2. So the Fed rate monitoring tool is saying, only 1 hike, and then we got, they're looking at cuts starting in 2024. So again, you can use this Fed rate monitor tool. These probabilities change as we get new data, etc. So again, we're seeing this hawkish skip, and they're expecting they'll come back in July and hike another 25 points. So if we also look at the CME FedWatch tool, we can also see the dot plot here, which is helpful as they did adjust the dot plot in this meeting. So for July, let me zoom that down a little bit. So again, for July, probability of another 25 basis point hike. And probabilities went up significantly from last week. So let's see where there's their dot plot. So again, 23, 5.5 to 5.75, dropping in 24, dropping in 25. But again, it's been pretty steady now between 5.5 and 5.75, 5.6. So we can see where they put, the number of votes. So the vast majority right now is at 5.6. So another, at least 1 more hike. So again, I hope that helps. And again, you can explore this in more detail look at the probabilities in the table as well. Here's the meeting date. So again, it's pretty steady up until December, and then the probability they're talking about a drop. So I hope that helps. And again, you can find links to these and watch those probabilities as they change based on the data via the links in the link section on our homepage. Okay, let me grab another quick drink and let me talk about some of the other fallout from this hawkish skip and how we can make money trading based on this hawkish skip. So as I mentioned earlier, I don't know that if the Fed is consciously doing this or intentionally doing this, but in my humble opinion, this hawkish skip and them not wanting to say pause, not wanting to say skip, saying the July meeting's live, they're trying to convince us all the meetings are live, is to create some level of uncertainty. Because if companies are uncertain when they're going to go, their additional 50 basis point hikes, when are we going to get them? I think that will cause companies to hold off on capital expenditures and hiring. So again, anybody putting money into the economy is potentially inflationary. If they sit on their cash, then inflation will slowly come down. If they're not hiring and maybe continuing to lay off, maybe call their employees, keep the top performers, and improve productivity, then that's disinflationary, right? So they're not pumping money into the economy, so that will allow inflation to cool off. And typically, again, if the companies don't know what the interest rate's going to be, they may just hold off on spending money at this time. Now, again, they did tell us, by the end of the year, we expect interest rates to only be, 50 basis points higher. So we kind of think we're near the end of rate hikes. So if that 50 basis points isn't going to make a significant difference in the cost of some capital expenditure, company might go ahead and do it. Same way with your consumer. Um, if the interest rates are only going to go up 50 basis points more, mortgage rates actually went down a little bit as the 10-year, which mortgage rates are typically pegged to the 10-year, dipped a little bit. And, it's only going to go up 50 basis points more. They're not going to cut this year. So if you were waiting to spend based on a cut, we're not going to get it this year. And so companies, their budgets are either tied to the calendar year, or a lot of them are also pegged to the government's fiscal year, which is October. So if they're going to spend their money, they might want to spend it this year because interest rates aren't going to go down this year. So again, I don't think it's going to make a significant difference. I think, some companies will go ahead and start spending if it makes sense to do so. Because again, the interest rates aren't going to go up significantly, and they're definitely not going to go down. Same way with people looking to buy a home. You're going to buy one, mortgage rates aren't going to go down significantly. They also might go up a little bit. So, now might be the time if you're going to buy a home this year. Also, are we going to get an outflow of money from stocks to treasury bonds? We saw in the near-term auctions, the treasury bond rates were up over 5%. So if you can, make 5%, do you want to sit and take the risk of sitting in stocks, or get your 5% in the treasury bonds? And those rates, they're not going to go up significantly. So if you were going to buy We may see a spike in yields when the deluge of treasuries from the government after the debt ceiling deal hits, but I also heard that they're trying to um, keep the flow of those bonds manageable so that the yields don't spike. They're also trying to engineer it so that the money comes out of the reverse repo from the Fed and not have it come out of reserves from the banks and cause, additional stress on the banks. So but we might again see a money outflow of money from stocks to treasury bonds. And Easy Mike also pointed out that at the end of the quarter, you're going to get a rebalancing into the 60-40. So now that 60-40 is kind of working better than it did for a couple years, again you might see more money flowing to treasury bonds and coming out of stocks. So again, that balancing back to a 60-40 type of lower risk distribution. So again, I think some of those are the potential fallouts from the hawkish skip that we got, and ways that we can make money trading those fallout from the hawkish skip. So let me know what you think of all of this. If you have any other ideas about how we can make money trading the fallout from this hawkish skip, I'd love to hear it in the comments, etc. Also, you can see, our videos on how to make money trading in June. So typical June, sector rotation. Um, the content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch list, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc. is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow beach bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.